Go to myquote.assurity.com to see the 7 products that are available on the instant issue platform. Today, we'll take a look at Century Plus Disability Income. Input your client's occupation. If you don't see it listed, click the Occupation Not Listed button below and select the occupation class that pertains to your client. Input your client's income and run the quote. You'll see that you'll be presented with several options. In this case, they have 3 different benefit periods. Select the benefit period you want. Here you'll see a breakdown of the quote. You'll see the coverage amount, each month $22.20. You'll see the premiums broken down into base coverage and supplemental DI. If you want to understand what supplemental DI is, you can click on the mark next to it. You can also add a rider below. In this case, we'll add the residual disability benefit. You can see what that does, and you can also see it reflected in the premium adjustment. If your client is ready to move forward with the Assurity Disability Income quote, you go to www.abgelite.com, click on the Advisor Basecamp, go e-applications. Start a new case. Input basic information. The yellow fields are required. In this case, we're selecting disability. We're scrolling down, and you want to choose the instant decision option. Click on select. That takes you right into the application.